There's something about stepping into nature that resets me. It's a great day for a walk in nature. The air feels fresh, the sun is out, and my dog is leading the path that we're going. Thor is living in the moment, which is something that I'm working on doing more. This is a great reminder. He loves it out here in nature. So many smells, so many things to explore. The trees are quiet, the trail is peaceful, and everything just feels a little bit slower. No rush, just one step, one in front of the other. Enjoy this nature walk with us.
I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. 'Cause all we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick and I don't know why. You remember that night we met? I thought you looked so fine. Guess we have to agree to disagree for this one last time. Pretty weird that day when we did not exchange our hellos. I wasn't looking out for you, I'm sorry, I'm so shallow. But I'm still looking forward to watching part 2 of Deathly Hallows with you. Much at all here in this small town, 'cause in the end we're all buried deep inside the same hole in the ground. talk to throw a bone. For a while, I'm sleeping like a bee. The curiosity, give the cat a line. You see, you see, you see. So leave me stranded on the carpet, head onto the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. You made a joke about the half-cut, ate a metaphor and later made her cry. Luck's been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot at home. What a way to start the day. I've standing on the space. I love the scenery. My happiness is misery, and nothing's like it used to be. 'Cause everybody around me's feeling sorry for himself.